Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make gas and flame detection system using Arduino that can monitor and alert gas leakage and alert you along with real-time display. To build this project, you need Arduino Uno, flame sensor, gas sensor, red LED, buzzer module, LCD with I2C. To begin with, make the connection following this circuit diagram. After the connections are complete, upload this program. I have given links to all of these in the description box below. I will put all these components on a piece of cardboard. Now you can test this project. Connect Uno to USB or battery power source and allow few seconds. Now simply expose the flame sensor to flame and you should see the buzzer beep with LCD message and red LED, and the same follows for gas sensor as well. That was all about this project. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.